Huawei has given the smartphone announcement game at Mobile World Congress a skip as its highly anticipated handset Huawei P20 is set to launch on March 27. With around a month to go now, alleged official renders of the Huawei P20 series of handsets have surfaced online. The leaked renders suggest what the new smartphones could look like. While the images appear to direct towards a futuristic design, the highlight of Huawei's upcoming smartphones could be a triple camera setup, though there are mixed reports on that. However, as per latest rumors, the P20 handset may also sport an Apple iPhone-like notch at the top. There are also live images of the handsets that have leaked. Noted tipster Evan Blass posted a photo on Twitter of an alleged Huawei P20, along with the caption, with 2, not 3, rear cameras. Meanwhile, in the images posted by Blass, the handset appears to be running Android Aria, have a dual rear camera setup, and feature a notch at the top, similar to the iPhone X. Interestingly, at the rear end of the phone, it says Shirley, which could be the codename of the smartphone. Incidentally, separate alleged press renders of the Huawei P20 were also leaked by China's Exchange Zone. As per a GSM Arena report, the images showcase the notch present on the handset. Additionally, another leak points to the features of the model it calls P20 Pro, which includes a 6-inch, 1080x2160, display, a Kirin 970 processor, 6GB/8GB of RAM, 128GB/256GB of storage, and a 4000 mAh battery. GSM Arena also posted a video on YouTube, said to be Huawei's promo that revealed the P20 name. This video also adds to the 3-camera speculation as it contains 3 circles and the extra letters in the word Muur. Finally, the latest live images from Chinese website MyDrivers showcase a horizontal dual-camera setup next to an LED light. Also, there seems to be a third camera as well, but there is no clarity on that. All the cameras have Leica branding, as per the pictures. Earlier this month, the handset was spotted on certification site TNet. The images showed a vertical dual camera setup which appears to be close to the new leaks from China. However, some previous rumors had suggested the presence of 3 rear cameras in some variants of the P20 as well. Rumor mills have been churning out leaks of the Huawei P20 smartphones for a while now. Numerous reports suggest that the Chinese phone maker will launch 3 new phones in its flagship range at the event. These will include a Lite, regular, and Plus variant in the P series flagship model.